Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to easily increase and decrease the text size on Apple Watch 8. So let's do it. So here is my Apple Watch 8 and if you want to increase or decrease the text size, it is very easy. Just go down to the shortcuts bar and here we have the icon for the text size. Just press on this. And now let's read. Apps that support dynamic type will adjust to your preferred reading size. Okay, and now let's decrease and put to the minimum. Okay, and this is how it looks. And now let's go to the menu. And this is how it looks now. Okay, I hope you can read this. And now if you want to increase the text size, go again and press here, and now let's see how it looks on maximum. Now let's go back to the settings and this is how it looks now. And now let's go to settings, and this is how it looks here. And if you go to display and brightness, you can also change the text size from here. Just press here and it's the same thing as in the shortcuts bar. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.